In this video, I will show you how to save files to Google Drive. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser. I'll be using Google Chrome to do this, but you can do this on any browser, so if you prefer to use like Firefox or Edge, the process is the same. Now what you want to do is come across to google.com and make sure you're logged into the correct Google account that you want to upload your files to. If not, you can click onto your icon in the top right hand corner, and from here you can switch to a different account. Now once you've done that and you're on google.com, come up to the top right hand corner, click onto this icon here which says Google Apps, and on here you're going to see your Google Drive. Give it a click, that's going to take you across to your Drive. Alternatively, what you can do is just come across to drive.google.com, and from here what you want to do is come over to the left hand side. In the top left hand corner you're going to see a button which says New. Give that a click, and what you can do is upload a file. So if you've just got one file to upload, or you can create a folder as well to upload your files to. So what I'm going to do is just click and select file upload, and then what you can do is find the files that you want to upload and save to Google Drive. So I'm going to jump into my desktop and go into this photos folder, and what I'm going to do is hold down Control and select these 3 files to upload. Now once you're happy and you've got your file selected, just click onto open, and you're going to see in the bottom right hand corner that the files are going to start uploading. So you can see all 3 have now uploaded, they've all got a green tick. And to find these files, if you come over to the left hand side, click onto recent in the menu, you're going to find they're going to be at the top of the list. So that is how to save files on Google Drive. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.